Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into MetaBank with NetSpend. So if you also want to log into MetaBank with NetSpend, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type MetaBank login with NetSpend. Press enter. Now you can see over here several links will pop up. You have to find the NetSpend All Access account. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. Here you can see this is the login page for the NetSpend. If you log in from here, you'll be able to log into MetaBank with NetSpend. All you have to do is enter your username and password. First of all, enter your username. Now enter your password. Make sure to provide the correct credentials. If you want your browser to remember your username, you can check on this box, remember username. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on the username option right over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the password option right over here. Now, after entering your username and password, all you have to do is click on the login button that you can see right over here. So after clicking on this login button, you'll be logged into MetaBank with NetSpend. So that is how you log into MetaBank with NetSpend. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.